The Neato BotVac Connected D7 is distinct from all other Neato robot vacuums in that it has a feature called FloorPlanner with NoGO lines. You set up a floor plan by running the vacuum like normal, and then you can draw lines with your fingers on the app, creating areas that the robot won't go. I have to tell you, this is much more than a cool feature. I think it's a game changer in robot vacuum technology, and I'll talk more about that in a second. I've superimposed the maps I made with the actual path the robot took, so you can see that it's extremely accurate. The reason I think it's such a big deal is that every house is going to have a number of areas that cause a robot vacuum trouble, and there have been lots of ways companies have tried to deal with this, from magnetic strips to the virtual wall barriers that Roomba uses. But because the no-go lines are basically unlimited barriers, and because it's so accurate, it makes scheduling cleanings when you're not at the house so much more effective. Because no matter how good a robot vacuum is, half of the time you'll come home to a robot vacuum stuck on a cord or a rug or under a bed, and the whole purpose of scheduling a cleaning is defeated. But with this feature, you can plan an entirely safe route for the robot. You could even use it to clean only 1 or 2 rooms at a time. It'll save a ton of battery life too, since the Neato D7 won't be spending inordinate amounts of time navigating around difficult obstacles. I'm pretty sure that all the other companies are going to have to come up with a similar technology in order to compete, because once people recognize what this technology can do, they won't want a robot vacuum without it. Links in the description to the D7 on Amazon, and be sure to check out our full review of the Neato D7 when it's ready, which I'll link to the left. Thanks for watching.